Sihlobo sami esithandekayo, ungamangali uma abathandwa bakho bekubhiyevela in a very funny way. Bekuzonda nje ungakwazi nokuthi bakuzondelani nje, bengakufuni nje, bakunyanya nje. Abantu laba nje bacabanga ukuthi wena you are highly favored. They think you jumped the queue nje, uThixo uphonga ukupromotha nje, ungazange ugowishe njengabo. Bengazi ukuthi wena you suffered silently. Awuzange ubabikele ukuthi yazi ngilana nje ngiyagowisha ngidlule ey'ntweni ezithile. Nakho kubalulekile ukuthi ungabatsheli laba bantu uma ugowisha, because they can just make your journey to be more tough nje. They will tighten the screws ukubona ukuthi vele uyacila awuphumi kulokho uThixo akudlulisa kukhona. Because you suffer silently nje, bacabanga ukuthi nje wena ujump iqueue nje, uThixo nje highly favored you nje, usiyinokho ekho khona nje just because wena you highly favored. Bengazi ukuthi na ugowishile.